Hello, welcome to Marantz Professional booth here at InfoComm 2018. This image that you're seeing right now, it's coming from the turret, a full HD camera, 30 frames per second, also with an LED light ring. As you can see here, it's an all-in-one solution for your next broadcast video, your YouTube channel, your gaming, maybe you're on Twitch, maybe you're using Insta Live or Facebook Live. This is a complete solution for you. So it comes with a flexible arm provided by a cardioid condenser microphone, 16-bit, 48K, also with an anti-pop. We're also providing inside the box a spare one of these so you can customize with your own channel name. This is washable and we can use this for various applications. As you can see here, you can have a freeze button, so whenever you need to change the scenario or to do maybe your magic tricks, you can press this button. You're keeping on the transmission, but your images freeze. This other button here is for the mic mute. So whenever you will press this, a red light is going to start flashing to indicate you're now muted. You have your headphone amplifier here with a control. You have a dimmable light control here as well for your LED light ring. And that's not only. Bringing more solutions for the turret family, we're now providing the brand new, this is an innovation for the install and for every kind of market that will be using this kind of products here. This is the AVS, an audio video streamer brought by Marantz Professional. This is the smaller brother of the turret, so it doesn't have the condenser mic here. However, it has a very powerful boundary mic. So whenever you will place this on your desk, or the whole desk will be working as a microphone to get your voice. The camera is still full HD, 1080p, 30 frames per second. The LED ring. This model here has autofocus. This is a fixed focus. So this is a little bit more a portable device. So I'm glad you came here. Please visit marantzprofessional.com for more information about the turret and the upcoming AVS. Thank you.